here is we have got a beam over here. This is the beam. Now, because I have to put a commode over here, I need to take the drainage line, that is the sewage line over there. So what I have done, I have dug beneath the beam. So my drainage line will go beneath the beam and my column will be up. So from there it will go out. That is the drainage line which you can see. Okay. From there and there I will make an NT. NT is Nani tap. Nani tap means the gutter which you see in your bathroom. Correct? Got it? Okay. After that, everything will be done in a pipeline, because there we have got two line, hot line, cold line, one line, main line. I will give it in geyser. My geyser will be here. There are 2 points for geyser. One is inlet and one is outlet. The inlet will be from where the water comes from the tank, and the output will be in the diverter. Okay? So that whenever I operate the diverter, I will get the hot water. Correct? So this is what the plumbing system will be. Now after the plumbing system, they will do all the conceal work and everything, because the diverter, the outer portion is stainless steel. What the body is, what the design we decide. But for that we have a brass conceal system. That will be put over here first. For the metropole also it will be put over here. For this one also we will be having a bracket, chair bracket. So chair bracket will be put over here.